Imagine asking a question and getting a direct answer. No more sifting through pages of links, just pure, distilled knowledge. This is the promise of Perplexity AI, a revolutionary search engine that is changing how we explore the vast universe of information. Remember the days of flipping through encyclopedias? Perplexity AI is like having a personal librarian who instantly provides the information you seek. Traditional search engines often feel like navigating a crowded marketplace, overwhelming us with irrelevant links and sponsored content. Perplexity AI cuts through the noise, delivering concise, accurate answers sourced directly from the most reliable corners of the internet. It is the difference between being handed a map and being guided directly to your destination. This new approach to search is not just a novelty, it is a fundamental shift in how we interact with information. In a world where time is precious, Perplexity AI empowers us with the knowledge we need exactly when we need it. Let us delve deeper into how this groundbreaking technology is reshaping the landscape of online search. Perplexity AI stands apart from traditional search engines in several key ways. Firstly, it moves beyond simply providing a list of links. Instead, it uses advanced artificial intelligence to understand the intent behind your query. This allows Perplexity AI to deliver direct answers, often in the form of concise summaries or bullet points. Secondly, Perplexity AI is built on a foundation of transparency. When you ask a question, you are not only presented with an answer, but also with the sources from which that answer was derived. This allows you to assess the credibility of the information and delve deeper into the subject if you wish. Thirdly, Perplexity AI is constantly learning and evolving. As more users interact with the platform, its AI algorithms become more sophisticated in understanding and responding to queries. This ensures that the answers you receive are always becoming more accurate and relevant. In essence, Perplexity AI is not just a search engine, it is an intelligent research assistant. It understands your questions, provides direct and unbiased answers, and cites its sources, making the process of knowledge discovery more efficient and trustworthy. In an age of information overload, the need for accurate and unbiased information has never been greater. We are bombarded with conflicting narratives, often fueled by hidden agendas and commercial interests. This is where Perplexity AI shines as a beacon of clarity. Unlike traditional search engines, Perplexity AI is not influenced by advertising revenue or corporate partnerships. Its sole purpose is to provide users with the most accurate and objective information available. This commitment to unbiased information is crucial in today's world where misinformation can spread like wildfire. Furthermore, Perplexity AI's ability to cite its sources empowers users to think critically and verify the information they encounter. This transparency fosters a healthier information ecosystem where users are encouraged to engage with knowledge actively rather than passively consuming it. In a nutshell, Perplexity AI is not just a tool for finding information, it is a tool for promoting informed decision-making and critical thinking. Its commitment to accuracy and objectivity sets it apart as a trustworthy guide in the vast and often confusing landscape of online information. Section 4. Under the hood, how Perplexity AI works. The magic of Perplexity AI lies in its sophisticated use of artificial intelligence, specifically natural language processing and machine learning. It understands human language nuances and retrieves relevant information from the vast internet. It's like teaching a computer to read and comprehend information like we do. Perplexity AI's NLP algorithms dissect your query, identifying key concepts and relationships. This allows the system to understand the true intent behind your question. It taps into a vast repository of real-time data, scouring the web for credible sources. This includes academic journals, reputable news websites, and other authoritative sources. Finally, Perplexity AI synthesizes the information into a concise answer. It highlights key sources, allowing you to dive deeper if desired. This complex process happens in the blink of an eye, delivering information with speed and accuracy. Section 5. Perplexity in action, real-world applications and use cases. The potential applications of Perplexity AI are vast and varied, spanning across various fields and disciplines. Let's explore some of the real-world use cases where this technology is making a tangible impact. In education, Perplexity AI serves as a powerful tool for students. Imagine a student researching a complex historical event. They can ask Perplexity AI a direct question and receive a concise summary with citations. For businesses, Perplexity AI is a game changer in market research. It can analyze online conversations and social media to provide a comprehensive overview of public opinion. In research, Perplexity AI accelerates discovery by helping scientists quickly access relevant studies and data. These are just a few examples of how Perplexity AI is transforming information access.